Hear that sound? That's the sound of big opportunities. And today we are diving in. Hi, it's Agatha. It's time to learn about 3 effective investment methods. So we will get up close with one of them and aim to break the 3,000 level. This is my favorite method, the one that helped me to buy a sports car and a house for my family. Turn up YouTube, grab your favorite drink and focus. Let's get started. So, method number 1, trading. Let's not beat around the bush. This is my favorite way to invest my savings. I think the smartest way to show you is to just dive in. So, I have my platform set to standard settings. Okay, here we have 35. Trade time frame 1 minute. Today's indicators are super trend and zigzag. We will make the super trend line thicker and set the period to 5. For zigzag, we will change the depth parameter to 5 and set the line color to light green. Assets I'll be trading 2 currency pairs and 2 stocks. Great! Now we are all set. Camera, action, let's go. Let's see what we have here. So, everything points to an uptrend. Let's test it out. Why? There are 2 reasons. First, the bullish candles look stronger than the bearish ones. Second, the green super trend line indicates the bulls. Buyers are dominating. So it's logical that the trend will continue upward. And there you have it. I'll share all the tricks of this investment method on my Telegram channel. I've been doing this for over 7 years. It seems incredible, but I've been trading since I was 20. I consider myself a successful trader as my win rate has reached 89%. A couple of years ago, I decided to support beginner investors and traders by sharing my experience and knowledge. So I created a Telegram channel. Now it has over 18,000 members. There, I explain the most effective ways to invest in trading, how to work with the platform, and which indicators are the most beneficial to use at the beginning, and much more. So, to ensure everyone has a positive experience, I hold open live sessions where you can see all my actions in real time, the asset and the movement forecast. Subscribers follow my entry points and copy my moves. They make up to 400 per session. Wanna trade with an experienced trader? Then hurry up and join us. Click the link to our channel in the description or the first pinned comment. By the way, for the next few days, we are offering free access to our Telegram channel, so don't miss out. Okay, moving on. Here we see that the zigzag indicator has marked a peak. A large red candle confirmed that the bears have taken over, signaling a trend reversal. So, a downward movement makes perfect sense. Let's switch to Facebook. Looking at the chart, Facebook is on the rise. Fingers crossed. So, here's why I think so. The green candles are pushing up to the previous high. And judging by the candles, it looks like the resistance line is going to break. And just a reminder, in this market, we benefit from the price movement direction, not from the difference between buying and selling prices like in traditional investing. Here we increase the deposit if the direction of asset movement is correctly chosen. Why am I smiling? Because why not? I worked hard and learned a lot, and now I'm reaping the rewards. Investment option number 2, buying digital currency. Yes, it's true. If you look at the charts of different digital currencies, you will see they've shown some crazy growth historically. But predicting if this will happen again is really tough. Plus, they aren't backed by anything, unlike government currencies that we use to buy groceries. When I work with assets backed by something real, I can be confident that any drop is temporary, and I can predict their movement with technical analysis. And when you are getting all kinds of support to figure out trading and work with a skilled experts, it's an opportunity I would have given a lot for. By subscribing to my Telegram, you can join my live sessions, see all my trades, and even copy them if you want. In our last session, we made about 550,000 with my subscribers. I really enjoy getting thank you notes from people saying they could help their parents or finally get their dream car with my guidance. One guy even told me he can now pay for university. Isn't that awesome? Join our club while it's still completely free. Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment. Okay, there is one more method, number 3, buying stocks. It seems like one of the most popular options, but let's be honest, it's a bit outdated. Moreover, it brings good returns in two cases: if you take a large amount and buy many shares of a company that pays regular dividends, or if you got lucky and bought shares at a very low price, and they've grown over time. Stocks are a good option for those with a significant amount of capital and the patience to wait. But with an insignificant capital, it's unlikely you will see substantial results. Seriously, maybe I like trading so much because I'm good at it, but just look. For example, trade 4. Next up, we have Intel. I'm looking at the chart and going short. Here is an interesting situation. The candle hit the support level but didn't bounce back up, so it's likely the next candles will drop below the support level until the next one appears. Well, it went just as expected. Here I know what to do. I don't wait for weeks, months, or years for my investments to pay off. The first trade is done, and I'm up to 445. Moving on. Alright, we've been here before. Everything indicates that the asset will go down. Why did I make this choice? Let me explain. The red super trend line frequently points down. Plus, the green candles are quite small. Therefore, the downward movement should continue. Well done, Agatha, well done. And you avoid the wild volatility of those trendy digital currencies. This market feels way safer, if you ask me. Okay, and here we are with Facebook again. And it's going up again. What's the magic? The green super trend line is heading up. The bullish candles are maintaining their intensity. And Zigzag hasn't identified a peak. So the upward movement continues. Another successful forecast. That's because I rely on technical analysis, not horoscopes or guesswork. Moving on, and here I see that in the near future we should expect a drop. The asset is reaching a peak, and after some very strong green candles, the trend is reversing. It looks like the buyers have run out of steam. Both indicators confirm this. And by the way, notice that I don't invest the entire amount at once. Why would I? I don't like trading big risks. Let's wrap up our session with one final trade for today. Opening the Intel chart, and I see, unlike Facebook, it's heading down. It looks like the candles are trying to reach the previous resistance level but are getting pushed back halfway. I think the drop will continue throughout my trade, which is within a minute. Come on! Yes! The final session was intense, but the most important thing is I got the direction right. And today I reached 3,317. Remember where I started? I think there is no doubt that trading is the most effective investment method. So, I'll see you on my Telegram channel. Ask me any questions, suggest situations for analysis, learn the most advanced strategies, and get all the information on indicators. And most importantly, trade with us, with my community. Achieve the same results as my followers and I do. All you have to do now is subscribe to the channel and message me directly. Links can be found under the video and in the comments. That's all for now. Bye-bye.